small sawmill up in King City. We cut about 1,000 board feet a day. Last year, Tom Gray, the CEO of Make 48 and Handy Camel, he came to us with basically a blank sheet, of 2 pieces of plywood kind of matched together for this chopping board idea.
We always think it's really cool to see what people are going to make out of these pieces. I mean, I could look at it and see, something, a cutting board or a shelf, and we have people that come up and they'll pick out these pieces and they're just creators, they're makers, and they do. Anyone that comes and they're making, I think, custom pieces, it's always kind of really cool to us to see what they make. We always say, send us a picture of what you've made with that, because we can't wait to see what they do. And so we even have some high school students that come up, and we just think anything we can do to encourage people making things with their hands, especially from nature or from a waste product or a byproduct, to save that from us having to, destroy it or burn it. We would much rather see that happen. So that's always pretty neat on our end of it. And so definitely with Make 48, to see people with creative minds and inventive minds and to come up with ideas for anything that could go to the marketplace is pretty exciting, I think, for us.